her rejecting that. She's like, no.
Oh, give her a kiss. Oh.
I'm surprised she hasn't pushed him away yet. Be careful, Wes. It's right here. I think we're both stepping in it.
Finn. Finn. Where's Hannah? Oh.
Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. Hannah's like, ew.
Hey, that's not nice. Don't you scream. Look at her face.
Normally she puts her hand away when she doesn't want. I'm surprised she's not doing that.
Are you pouting? Because she won't kiss you back?
Give him a hug, Hannah.
Hey, be gentle.
Hannah, can you give Finn a hug? Hi, buddy. Was that fun?